Yeah, that's right. Hello, hello. Friday night in Tanjay City. Let's see what's going on. They're selling clothes. Lag Larn is really big tomorrow. Sorry, Sunday. Lately, this is all set up. The months prior to Sinulog and Fiesta being in July. Yeah, you got items from 10 peso, 20 peso, 30 peso. The highest price that I've seen here is 380, which is $9.50. $9.50 for the nicest pairs of shoes. Yeah, so many shoes and hats and skirts and dresses and blankets. Anyways, I gotta move on. Oh, that's the beginning. And right now it's supper time, so there's not gonna be many people out.
Josh.
John.
Hi, John.
Close.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening. Oh yeah. Hey, Versal. Hey, man, hey. Yeah, it's really quiet right now. Like I said, it's just supper time. It's 5 after 6. A lot of people in eating. Yeah, I'm making this video because I'm walking to the market to film the market at night. Big shot. Oh yeah. Hi.
Hello.
All right. No, I'm all zapped out. I would have had about 6 today, thanks. I'm gonna put you on YouTube though. Hello again.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
You doing okay here?
What?
You doing okay in this spot?
We're okay.
Okay, good.
Good.
Get the stuff cooking. Ooh, it smells like fish. Is that? Yeah, don't eat that. All right. That sugar banana, lumpia. Woohoo! Coming down to this seating section. Hey, hey.
Hi, good evening.
It's getting dark. It's kind of hard to see, but people sitting down here eating. Oh, wonderful. Street food.
Hello.
Hello, hello. And there it is. Yeah, hello, hello. Wow, do a little zoom in here. Pastry D. Marie. Yummy, yummy. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that chocolate one, yum. You really want that one right there. Woohoo! Do a little detour through here. Detour, detour. Oh, look at all that stuff. Hey, yummy. Oh, yeah. Hey, oh my God, I near died. Laundry, rice box. Singing. Hey, hello. Yeah, there's a big hello there. Okay, I'm gonna end this video, start another one.